Hey guys, my name's Shawna. If you've never been here before, welcome to my channel. So today we're just going to go ahead and just knock out deep cleaning this sleeping room of the girls. They do share a room, and they actually do share this bed here. They just don't like sleeping on the top bunk for whatever reason. So yeah, we're just going to tackle this together and take care of the mess. So I actually printed this out and put this in the frame, but I've just been so busy. I haven't been enforcing this enough, and so we're definitely going to get back to this. They definitely understand what they need to do in the morning, but they are going to start making their bed and making sure their clothes are in the hamper. We're going to start enforcing this a lot more and making sure that they are picking up their clothes in the morning and the night and having some time to tidy up here before we go to bed at night, so this can be minimized.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I don't felt this in ages, and I know my patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
So yeah, that's all I have for you right now. I mean, I haven't been doing as well as I could have, but you know, when you always have your kids And like I'm like past the point of getting stressed out of having my kids all the time because they don't leave me very often. So sometimes for me, getting a break is just not cleaning up after them and letting them do what they want in their room, whether that be snacking in their room or not cleaning their room. And I know it's not very good parenting, but it's just what works for me now and again. But like I said, I do make sure that I come in here at least, it never goes longer than 2 weeks for sure, but at least once a week I'm getting in here and I am moving everything and cleaning corner to corner. And corner to corner to me is cleaning under everything and around everything. And the only reason why I'm not cleaning under their dresser this week is because I already know that it's clean because I had to plug some things in over there. But typically, like, I will clean and move everything around to make sure that I'm getting any crumbs, food, and small pieces out. So that's why their room's always a mess when I clean, and it's not like that we're like super gross or anything like that. It's just that I do clean it like often like that, deep cleaning a couple times a month, and sometimes I just need a break. So like this mess just happens. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this. I hope it's satisfying, to say the least, to see the mess get cleaned up. And I will definitely be seeing you guys in the next one. So let me know also any other videos you would like to see about anything you want. Pretty much open to anything on my channel. But the majority of my channel is cleaning, lifestyle, motherhood. I do lots of like tags. I'm still introducing everybody. And so yeah, I don't know. Like this video. Please subscribe. Oh, turn your bell on if you haven't already so you don't miss my next upload too. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.